Are you looking for a quick and effective way to use Mailchimp for campaign retargeting? You're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to retarget your audience using Mailchimp and maximize your campaign results. First, let's talk about what Mailchimp can do for you. You might already know it's an email marketing tool, but what sets Mailchimp apart is its ability to retarget specific segments of your audience, ensuring you're reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. And the best part? You can start using Mailchimp for free through the first link in the description, plus access our exclusive bonuses to give your campaigns a boost. Now, let's dive into the key steps you need to take to successfully retarget your audience with Mailchimp. Next thing, you need to set up your audience. Make sure you've segmented your list to target specific groups based on their interactions with your previous campaigns or website. This segmentation is crucial because it ensures you're retargeting people who have already shown interest in your business, like those who opened your emails or clicked on a product. Next thing, create your retargeting campaign. After you've set up your audience, head over to the Mailchimp campaign builder and select the retargeting option. Choose the audience segment you want to focus on, and Mailchimp will help you design an ad that will show up on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. This means that even if a potential customer isn't engaging with your emails, your brand can still follow them around on social media. The third thing is tracking the performance of your retargeting campaign. Mailchimp provides insights into how your retargeting ads are performing, allowing you to tweak your approach and maximize your ROI. Keep an eye on metrics like click-through rates and conversions to make sure your ad is reaching the right people at the right time. Next thing, you want to make sure you're optimizing your email content. When creating your emails for retargeting, consider offering an incentive like a discount or exclusive content. Personalize your messages by using data from previous interactions. For instance, if someone clicked on a specific product in your last campaign, send them a follow-up email with a special offer for that product. Finally, don't forget to use Mailchimp's automation feature. Set up automated workflows that trigger based on user behavior, like sending follow-up emails to people who clicked on an ad but didn't complete a purchase. These automated touchpoints increase your chances of converting your leads into customers. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to use Mailchimp for campaign retargeting. The key takeaway here is that with a few simple steps, you can significantly increase your chances of turning potential customers into actual ones. Before you go, don't forget that you can start using Mailchimp completely free with our exclusive extended trial. Check the link in the description to get started. Happy marketing, and we'll see you in the next video.